Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the sound issue in Windows 11 where you get an error saying no audio output device is installed. It's a nice and straightforward one to fix, and the first thing we need to do is come over to our control panel, and you can do this by heading to the start menu and searching for control panel and tap on the control panel tab. Then inside of here you need to make sure view by is set to category, and we need to come inside of hardware and sound, inside of sound, and we're going to right click in this white space here and make sure you have show disabled devices selected. And we're going to scroll down this list, and if your audio device is disabled, then we just need to right click on it and select enable. Now I've already got my speakers enabled here, so I don't need to do this. And whilst we're inside of here, it's also a good idea to set your speakers as the default device, and we can do that just by selecting your speakers and selecting the set default button down here. Then we can press apply and OK to save our changes. And the next thing you're going to need to do is come over to your start menu and search for device manager, then come over to device manager, and from this list we need to come down to sound, video and game controllers and expand this tab. And inside of here you need to locate your audio device, so mine's these Realtek audio speakers down here. And we're going to right click on this and come into update driver, select browse my computer for drivers, and we're going to choose this option let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you just need to select your driver from the list. Mine's this Realtek high definition one down here. Then we can hit next, and as you can see that's now updated my drivers, so we can close out of this window, and it's telling me that I need to restart my computer, but for now I'm just going to select no. And we're also going to come inside of this NVIDIA high definition audio, and we're going to do the exact same thing by selecting update driver, inside of browse my computer for drivers, select the option at the bottom down here, and once again you're going to select the correct driver from the list and hit next. And another thing that you can do inside of here is restart the audio service just by right clicking on your speakers and selecting disable device, and then we can come back into it by right clicking and also selecting enable device. Now is also a good time to restart your computer for these changes to take effect, and once you've restarted your computer, if that's still not fixed the issue for you, the next thing we can do is come over to the start menu and search for run and tap on the run icon, and inside of this search box we need to type in services.msc and hit enter. Then inside of this list there's just a couple of services that we need to ensure is running on our computer. The first one is called Windows Audio, which will be right at the bottom down here, and as you can see I already have mine set to running, and we also need to ensure this Windows Audio endpoint builder is set to running. Now if your service isn't set to running, then we can just double click on it and we can press this start button to start the process. You also need to make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and if everything looks good inside of here, then I'd recommend just right clicking on Windows Audio and selecting restart to restart the process. Then the last thing we can do if that's still not fixed the issue is come back over to the start menu and search for settings, come over to settings, and from the left hand side here we need to come all the way down to Windows Update, then press this check for updates button to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows, which is important as sometimes outdated software can cause issues with our hardware and applications. Then once you're ensured you're fully up to date, scroll all the way down to advanced options, come down once more inside of optional updates, and just ensure that you don't have anything pending inside of here too. And hopefully by this point in time that would have fixed any audio issues you're experiencing. If you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.